For generations, humanity has gazed up at the night sky, marveling at its endless mysteries and pondering a question as old as time itself. Are we alone in the universe? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence has fueled imagination, inspired scientific inquiry, and driven some of the most ambitious technological endeavors of our era. Now, in a turn of events that may one day be remembered as a historic turning point, the James Webb Space Telescope, our most powerful eye on the cosmos, has delivered data that could upend our understanding of life's place in the universe. Let us turn our attention to Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our solar system, a faint red dwarf burning quietly just over 4 light-years away. Orbiting this unassuming star lies Proxima b, an exoplanet not much larger than Earth. For years, astronomers have speculated about its potential to harbor life, noting that it sits within the so-called habitable zone, where temperatures could allow for the presence of liquid water, a fundamental ingredient in the recipe for life as we know it. Yet, until now, Proxima b was but one of thousands of worlds catalogued in humanity's growing inventory of distant planets, each tantalizing but remote. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, the latest marvel in humanity's quest to peer deeper into the universe. With its finely tuned infrared instruments, JWST was designed to unravel the secrets of distant galaxies, peer into stellar nurseries, and, crucially, probe the atmospheres and surfaces of exoplanets. It was during a routine survey of nearby star systems that JWST's sensors captured something extraordinary, a pattern of light emanating from the night side of Proxima b, unlike anything previously observed. The data showed that, as Proxima b rotated through its nights, sections of its surface glowed with a faint but unmistakable brilliance. This was not the scattered shimmer of auroras or the fleeting flash of lightning storms. Instead, the light appeared organized, structured, and persistent, bearing a striking resemblance to the artificial city lights that would be visible from space above our own planet. The intensity and distribution of these lights matched the patterns seen on Earth's continents after nightfall, as if vast swaths of the planet were illuminated by technology rather than nature. The implications are staggering. If these luminous signatures are indeed the product of artificial sources, then we may be witnessing the telltale evidence of an advanced civilization, one capable of harnessing energy on a planetary scale, of building cities, perhaps even of reaching out across the stars. It is the kind of discovery that has long been the domain of science fiction, now flickering into the realm of scientific possibility. Of course, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. The scientific community has responded with a mixture of excitement and caution. Could there be natural explanations for these patterns? Some have suggested that they might be caused by unusual geological activity, vast fields of glowing minerals perhaps, or bioluminescent organisms carpeting the planet's surface. Others point to the possibility of atmospheric phenomena unique to Proxima b, casting the observed glow from above rather than below. Yet, the rigor with which the JWST team has analyzed the data gives weight to the artificial origin theory. The light's regularity, its spectral characteristics, and its spatial arrangement all seem to defy easy natural explanations. If we entertain, for a moment, the idea that we are indeed observing the handiwork of an alien civilization, what might that civilization be like? Proxima b is a challenging environment. Its star, Proxima Centauri, is prone to violent flares that periodically bathe the planet in radiation. To survive, any intelligent beings there would likely have developed advanced technologies, perhaps shielding their cities, harnessing energy in novel ways, or even altering their biology to cope with the harsh conditions. The very existence of city-scale lights would suggest a society that has mastered complex engineering, communication, and collective organization. The broader implications ripple outward. For decades, the so-called Fermi paradox has haunted the scientific imagination. If intelligent life is common in the universe, why haven't we found any evidence of it? Perhaps the answer is that we simply haven't been looking in the right way, or with the right tools. The JWST's discovery may be the first glimpse of a broader cosmic tapestry, one in which life, intelligent, organized, and technologically advanced, has arisen in places we least expected. The discovery also raises profound philosophical and ethical questions. If we are not alone, what responsibilities do we bear as stewards of our own planet? How should we approach the possibility of contact, with humility, with caution, or with open arms? The prospect of encountering another civilization, no matter how distant, forces us to reflect on what it means to be human, to be part of a broader community of sentient beings. For now, the scientific process marches onward. Researchers around the world are poring over the JWST data, devising new observations and experiments to confirm or refute the artificial light hypothesis. Instruments are being trained on Proxima Centauri from Earth and from space, searching for radio signals, atmospheric anomalies, or other clues that might reveal the true nature of Proxima B's luminous patterns. In the coming months and years, new missions may be proposed to gather even more detailed information, perhaps even to send robotic probes to the Proxima system, though such journeys would take decades or centuries to complete. Meanwhile, the discovery has captured the public's imagination. News outlets, scientists, and dreamers alike are debating what it all means. Some warn against jumping to conclusions, recalling past episodes in which seemingly promising signals turned out to have mundane explanations. Others argue that the search for life beyond Earth is one of the most important endeavors humanity can undertake, a quest that speaks to our deepest hopes and fears, our longing for connection, and our drive to explore. If the lights on Proxima b are indeed artificial, then somewhere, on a world orbiting our nearest stellar neighbor, another intelligence is looking out at the same universe, perhaps asking the very same questions. Are we alone? What lies beyond the next star? It is a humbling thought that the universe may be filled with countless stories, countless civilizations, each striving, each dreaming, each reaching out into the dark. This moment marks the beginning of a new chapter in the search for life among the stars. The James Webb Space Telescope has shown us that the universe is not only vast, but also full of surprises. Whether or not Proxima b is home to an advanced civilization, the very act of looking, of seeking understanding in the face of the unknown, is a testament to the curiosity and ingenuity that define us as a species. As we await further confirmation, the significance of the discovery cannot be overstated. For the first time, we have evidence that suggests the lights of civilization may not be unique to Earth. The night side of Proxima b may be aglow with the achievements of beings who, like us, have learned to harness the power of their world, to build, to create, and perhaps to wonder about their place in the cosmos. The journey ahead will be one of careful analysis, patient observation, and open-minded exploration. The universe has kept its secrets for billions of years, but with each new discovery, we draw closer to answering the most profound questions of existence. Are we alone? Or, as the lights on Proxima b may suggest, are we part of a vast and ancient community waiting to be discovered? In the coming years, as technology advances and our capacity to peer deeper into the cosmos grows, we may find more worlds like Proxima b, planets where the night is bright with the glow of possibility. We may learn that life, in all its diversity and wonder, is not the exception, but the rule. We may find that the universe is teeming with intelligence, each civilization adding its own light to the cosmic night. Until then, we watch, we listen, and we wonder. The James Webb Space Telescope has opened a new window onto the universe, and through it, we glimpse the promise of discovery, the thrill of exploration, and the hope that one day we will find that we are not alone. The story is just beginning, and its next chapters will be written not only by scientists, but by all of humanity, united in our quest to understand the cosmos and our place within it.